Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get Battle Boost promo code and how to use them. Alright, first thing you need to do is to open on Telegram and search for the Battle Boost bot. Click on it to start a game. Once you open the bot, you click the start button at the bottom of the screen. You will be shown a welcome message with the option to play the game or subscribe on social media for updates. Invite friends to join the game to earn more in-game tokens. Engage with various tasks like daily promo codes, which are available in the Earn tab to increase your token Battle Boost year balance. The voice can later be converted into game's native cryptocurrency. I'll set up your game on autopilot, allowing you to earn coins without actively tapping. This helps accumulate in-game tokens even while you are offline. Upon starting the game, use the promo code BOOSTER. Alright, to receive a bonus of 5 million tokens as a reward. And then engage in PvP battles with other boosts to increase your character strength and earn additional coins. The one here is to follow their social, especially the X or Twitter. From here, you can go ahead and look for your promo codes. Here they're advertising the booster promo code as well. And where to find some promo codes? Again, follow their social media channels where they post up-to-date promo codes. To activate it, go to the Battle Boost game through the Telegram bot. On the main screen, go to the promo sections and click the activate button and done. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.